Want to make money online fast? In this video, I'll reveal how the Leads Leap affiliate system can help you generate passive income with free traffic and 50% commissions. What if I told you there's a free system that can help you earn $100, $500, even $1,000 a day without spending money on ads? Exactly what the Leads Leap affiliate system does. And today, I'm breaking down how you can use it to start making money online fast. Most people fail at affiliate marketing because they don't know how to get traffic. They waste money on ads, struggle with SEO, or give up too soon. But what if you could get free traffic, earn 50% commissions, and build a downline, all in one place? That's what Leads Leap offers. Here's how. First, sign up for free using my link below. Join all the programs, copy, and build your own funnel with the share code provided on the page, and ensure you get access to all the platforms. First, you have to join Leads Leap to duplicate this funnel. You can start with a free or pro account. As a pro member, you unlock traffic, no clicking for credits, landing pages, and email autoresponders. Then use these 7 free traffic sources to promote your Leads Leap link and build your downline. Want to speed up your results? Here's what I did to make my first $500 in 30 days. Use the built-in banner ads and email swipes. Join my top 5 recommended programs. Consistency, just 30 minutes a day. This system works if you take action. I've seen newbies go from $0 to $1,000 per month with it. If you want my step-by-step blueprint, comment leads below. I'll send you my free cheat sheet. Get to like this video, subscribe, earn talk, and hit the bell. I drop new money-making strategies every week.